Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I definitely believe that every home chef needs a cooking oil that can do it all. And for me lately, it has definitely been this amazing Sadaf grapeseed oil. I have personally long loved grapeseed oil for its potential health benefits, and this Sadaf brand is for sure one of the best brands of it that I've used. It is crystal clear with not a hint of cloudiness in it at all. So this tells me that this oil is excellent quality. It's a great everyday oil to use for pan frying just about anything. One of my favorite things about this oil is its high smoke point, so it doesn't tend to burn or discolor quickly like other oils can do. This makes it excellent for the current outdoor grilling season. I can use it to prepare foods for grilling and also to baste them while they're on the grill. I love the fact that this oil's flavor is very neutral, which means I can use it in all kinds of recipes, including baking. It adds the necessary richness to these recipes without adding its own flavor profile. It will not negatively affect the taste or the outcome of my recipes. I am so happy to have this Sadaf grapeseed oil to cover all of my cooking needs. And that's my point of view.